In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosery Font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Display. Now scroll again to hit Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on Download Fonts. Now you can click on this icon next to Rosery one to download it and go back to the list to click on it. As you can see, after that my new font style was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!